Hyperacidity, as known as acid reflux or heartburn, is a burning sensation that moves up from your stomach to the middle of abdomen and chest. Sometimes it can move into your throat also. Usually acid reflux is not a serious medical problem, but if it becomes constant and chronic, it can turn to gastroesophageal reflux disease, which is known as GERD, and then it requires treatment. So, how can you get relief from this pain before it goes chronic? In this video, we will share 7 effective tips that will significantly reduce your symptoms and give you a permanent relief. Don't forget to subscribe and stay with us. How to get rid of acid reflux permanently without any medication. Change your eating habit. Avoid the types of foods that cause acid reflux. Decrease the amount of food you eat at one time, and eat slowly. Don't eat 3 hours before bedtime. Lose weight. The diaphragm is a muscle located above your stomach. This muscle prevents excessive amounts of stomach acid from leaking up into the esophagus. But if you have too much belly fat, the diaphragm support cannot work properly. Follow a low-carb diet. Having too many undigested carbs in your digestive system makes you gassy, bloated, and belch more often. Following a low-carb diet can improve these symptoms. Chew gum. Chewing gum increases the formation of saliva, and helps clear the esophagus of stomach acid. Change your sleeping position. Some people suffer from reflux symptoms during the night, which disrupt their sleep quality, and make difficulties to fall them asleep. Studies showed that elevating the head of the bed is an effective strategy to reduce acid reflux symptoms and heartburn at night. Sleep on your left side. When you lay on your right side, stomach acid covers the lower esophageal sphincter. This increases the risk of acid leaking through it and cause reflux. So sleep on your left side to alleviate the symptoms. Avoid raw onion. Studies showed that the high amounts of fermentable fiber in onions significantly increase heartburn, acid reflux, and belching. Raw onions might also irritate the lining of the esophagus, and make heartburn worsen. So avoid raw onion to reduce the symptoms. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and share it for your healthy lifestyle collection. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.